It's important to have someone on your side who cares about you and who's protecting your interests. And as a team, we can maximize the recovery for someone who's been involved in an automobile accident.
Car accident cases over the course of my nearly 20-year career have been the bread and butter of my law practice. It's probably the most prevalent injury case that there is. I've literally handled thousands of car accident cases.
All over the state of Florida, everywhere from Miami up to the Panhandle, and obviously most of our cases are in Central Florida, but we handle automobile accidents throughout the state of Florida. If you're injured in a car accident, you should call an attorney immediately. And the reason is because of the no-fault law and the urgency that we make sure that the medical expenses are paid by the appropriate insurance company. We found that a lot of times our clients don't even have real severe pain symptoms until several days after the automobile accident. But if the pain gets to the point where you have to go see a doctor and it doesn't go away after a week or so, then you certainly need to call someone experienced in handling automobile accidents and get a case started.
Car accident cases sound like they'd be very easy to handle because they happen so often and there are so many of them, but car accidents and car insurance go hand in hand, and car insurance can be extremely confusing because there really isn't a set way that insurance companies sell it or provide it to their customers. So in almost every situation, every car accident situation, you're going to have different insurance companies involved, different types of coverages involved, different limits of coverage. So there are a lot of things that can go wrong, or a lot of benefits that can be passed up or neglected if you don't know what you're doing. We've seen anything from death, obviously, from car accidents, to
head injuries, neck and back surgeries,
significant brain injuries, hip fractures, leg breaks,
broken bones,
all the way down to sore neck, sore back. I think you'd want to hire somebody who's dealt with those experts before, dealt with those issues before. So when we look at your case, we can compare it to all of the other cases that we've handled successfully over all of those years.
It's important to hire someone who's focused on personal injury law because the law is always changing. And some attorneys try and handle several different areas of the law, and it's hard for them to keep up on the nuances and changes. Here, Kim and I both handle personal injury cases exclusively, and as such, we become very aware of the nuances of personal injury law. It's important that when you call a law firm and talk to a lawyer that you know that that lawyer is working on your case. At Cullen & Hemphill, if you call and ask for Kim Cullen or myself, we'll talk to you, we'll sit down with you, and we'll be the ones handling your case. And it's important that you are able to communicate with your attorney, and it's important that you get what you think you're going to get.
We're jointly involved in all the cases. We take calls from our clients. We are involved in all the negotiation with the insurance companies. If the case needs to be tried, Bob and I will try it together. And it never costs a penny to call us and talk to us about any kind of injury case. Every consultation with us is free, whether it's in our office or over the telephone.